Welcome to AKN Sprint Education. Myself Naveen, and today's session is about exercise 14.3 third question. A life insurance agent found the following data about distribution of ages 100 policyholders. Calculate the median age. So children, listen here carefully. Age in years below 20, number of policyholders are 20, and below 25 6, below 30 24, below 35 40, below 40 78, below 45 89, below 50 92, below 55 98, below 60 100. So actually we need to find out the median age. So here the given distribution being of the class of less than type here. So below in the sense less than type 25, 30, 35, 40 and so on. So give upper limits of corresponding class corresponding class intervals. So the classes should be 20 to 25, 25 to 30, 30 to 35, 35 to 40 and so on. Observe that from the given distribution two persons with age less than 20, that is frequency of the class below 20 is how much? Frequency of the class below 20 is 2, right? Yes, frequency of the class below 20 is 2. Now there are 6 persons with age less than 25. There are 6 persons with the age less than 25, and 2 persons with age less than 20. If you observe here, 2 persons with age less than 20. Below 25 means includes 20 also, right? So the number of persons with age in the interval 20 to 25 is 6 minus 2, that is equal to 4 children. Children, try to understand. Don't write frequency as it is, as below 25 includes 20 also children. So 6 minus 2, 4 children. Next, below 30 in the sense 24 minus 6, that is equal to 18, and below 35 in the sense 45 minus 24, 5 minus 4 1, that is equal to 21, and below 40 in the sense 78 minus 45, 8 minus 5 3, and 7 minus 4 3, that is equal to 33, and below 45 in the sense 89 minus 78, 89 9 minus 8 1, so that is equal to 11, and below 50 in the sense 92 minus 89, so that is equal to 3, below 55 in the sense 92 minus 89, that is equal to 3 over 98 minus 2, 98 minus 92, that is equal to 6, 100 minus 98, that is equal to 2. So this is our frequency, children. So don't write as it is, as they are upper limits of the corresponding class intervals, right? Now let us find cumulative frequency. 2 as it is 2, so 2 plus 4 6, 6 plus 8 18, 24, 24 plus 21, that is equal to 45, 45 plus 33 78, 78 plus 11 99, 99 plus 3 89, sorry, 89 plus 3 92, 92 plus 6 98, 98 plus 2, that is equal to 100. So as we got 100 policy holders, so what we have to find? We need to find out the median. How to find median? L plus n by 2 minus C F by F into H. So as number of policyholders are 100. So our n by 2 value is 100 by 2, that is equal to 50. Okay, n by 2 equal to 50. So just after 50 we have 78. So corresponding frequencies 33 children. Children, our n by 2 value is 50. In C of cumulative frequency 50, after we have 78, that corresponding frequency is our frequency, and corresponding class interval is our median class. So here median class is 35 to 40. In that lower limit is 35. So lower limit is 35 and n by 2 value 50. And what is our cumulative frequency? Cumulative frequency is 45 by frequency how much? 33, and class size is 5. 5 1 ja, 5 7 ja. 35 plus 5 by 7. 5 divided by 7. 7 0 ja 0. 7 7 ja 49. 7 1 ja 7. So 35 plus 0.71, that is equal to 35.71. So that is our median age. Coming to fourth question, the length of 40 leaves of a plant are measured correct to the nearest millimeter, and the data obtained is represented in the following table. So length, that is 118 to 126, number of leaves 3, 127 to 135 5, 136 to 144 9, 144 to 153 12, 154 to 162 5, 163 to 171 4, 170 to 182. Okay, they are asking to find the median length of the leaves. Children, if you observe the given data, length 118 to 126, then after that 127 to 135. So here the data is not continuous classes. As you see here 126, but here we have 127. They are not continuous classes. So what we have to do, the data needs to be converted to continuous classes for finding median. Since the formula assumes for continuous classes, right? So the class then changes to, so actually in order to change the data into continuous classes, in class interval 118 to 126, 118 is called as lower limit and 126 is called as upper limit, children. So we have to subtract 0.5 from lower limit and we need to add 0.5 to upper limit, children. Are you understanding? So from 118, if you subtract 0.5, you will get 117.5, children. 117.5. If you add 0.5 to 126, you will get 126.5. Similarly, coming to class interval 127 to 135, subtract 0.5 from lower limit, add 0.5 to the upper limit. 127 minus 0.5, you will get 126.5 to 135.5. Similarly, 136, it will become 135.5 to 144.5, and here also 144.5 minus 153.5, 153.5 minus 162.5, 162.5 minus 171.5, 171.5 to 180.5. If you observe the data now, which is in continuous classes. So what is the frequency, children? Frequency is 3, 5, 9, 12, 5, 4, 2. That is our frequency. Now let us find cumulative frequency. 3, 3 plus 5 8, 8 plus 9 17, 17 plus 12 29, 29 plus 5 34, 34 plus 4 38, 38 plus 2 40. So n equal to how much, children? N equal to 40. So what is the formula to find the median? Median equal to L plus n by 2 minus CF by F into H. So as we got n value 40, so n by 2 is 40 by 2, 2 1 ja 20. So n by 2 is just after 17, right? So this is our frequency, and corresponding class interval is our median class, and the lower limit is 144.5. 144.5 plus n by 2 value is 20, and our CF is 17, and frequency is 12, and difference between two successive class intervals is 9, children. Okay, 3 3 ja 3 4 ja. So 144.5 plus 20 minus 17 3. So 3 into 3 9 divided by 4. 9 divided by 4, 4 2 ja 8, again 4 2 ja 8, 4 5 ja 20. So 144.5 plus 2.25. So that is equal to 146.75 millimeters. Okay, here we have to convert the data into continuous classes, because we have the formula for continuous classes, that is median equal to L plus n by 2 minus CF by F into H, right? So this is our fourth question. Coming to fifth question, the following table gives the distribution of lifetime of 400 neon lamps. Lifetime, that is 1500 to 2000 hours. Number of lamps were 14. 2000 to 2500 56, 2500 to 3000 60, 3000 to 3500 86, 3500 to 4000 74, 4000 to 4500 62, 4500 to 5000, that is equal to 48. Okay, as it is given 400 neon lamp holders, right? So let us find cumulative frequency 14. So 14 plus 56 70, 70 plus 60 130, 130 plus 86 216, 216 plus 74, that is 290, 290 plus 62 352, 352 plus 48, of course 400. Okay, as we got n equal to 400, let us find n by 2. N is 400 by 2, 2 1 ja 2 200 ja, right? Just after 200 we have 216, right? That corresponding class interval is what? Our corresponding class interval is 3000 to 3500, and this is our frequency, and this is our cumulative frequency. Just after 200 we have 216, children. Corresponding class interval is 3000 to 3500. That is our frequency, and this is our cumulative frequency. That's all. So median equal to L plus n by 2 minus CF by F into H. As L value is 3000, n by 2 value 200, CF is 130, F is 86, into height is 500. So 3000 plus 70 by 86 into 500. Okay, so 2 4 ja 2 3 ja 2 35 ja. So 35 into 5, 3000 plus 5 5 ja 25, 5 3 ja 15 plus 2 17, 17 by 43, 17,500 divided by 43. 43 4 ja 4 3 ja 12, 4 4 ja 16 plus 1 17, 3 0 0, take it one more 0. So 43 6 ja, let us check, 6 3 ja 18, 6 4 ja 24 plus 1 25, 2 4 again point 0, 9 ja 9 3 ja 27, 9 4 ja 36 plus 2 38, 10 minus 7 3, so nearly 406.9. So 3406.9 hours. So this is our median lifetime of a lump. So this is our fifth question. Coming to sixth question, 1000 surnames were randomly picked up from a local telephone directory, and the frequency distribution of the number of letters in the English alphabet in the surnames was obtained as follows. Determine the median number of letters in the surnames. Also find the mean number of letters in the surnames. Also find the modal size of the surnames. They are asking to find out mode as well as mean as well as median. Actually we have to find all the three, right? So let us find first median. As frequency is 6 here, as it is you write down, and 6 plus 30 36, so 36 plus 40 76, 76 plus 16 92, 92 plus 4 96, 96 plus 4 100. So n equal to how much, children? N equal to 100. So let us find n by 2. So that is 100 by 2 50. N by 2, just after 50 we have 76 children, right? So corresponding class interval is 7 to 10. So 7 is lower limit, and 40 our frequency, 36 our cumulative frequency, right? So what is the formula to find the median? Median equal to L plus n by 2 minus CF by F into H. As L value 7, n by 2 value 50, CF is 36, frequency is 40, and class size is 3. So 7 plus 50 minus 36, that is equal to 14 by 40 into 3. 2 7 ja 2 20 ja. So 7 plus 7 3 ja 21 by 20. So 21 divided by 20, 21 ja 20, 1 0, 25 is 100. So we have to put 0 here. So 7 plus 1.05, 7 plus 1 8.05. So what is the median number of letters in the surnames? That is 8.05. Okay, we will find mode. How to find mode, children? What is the formula of mode? Mode equal to L plus F1 minus F0. So let us find out here. Mode equal to L plus F1 minus F0 by 2 F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. So highest frequency is 40, and this is our F0 and this is our F2, right? So L is same as it is 7, F1 is 40 and F0 is 30 by 2 into F1 is 40, F0 is 30, F2 is 16 into height is 3. So 7 plus 40 minus 30, 10 to 40 is 80, 30 plus 16 46 into 3. So 7 plus 10 3 is 30, 10 minus 6 4, 7 minus 4 34. So 30 divided by 34, 30 divided by 34, 0.8 I guess. 8 4 is 32. 8 3 is 24 plus 3 27. Yes. 7 plus 0.8. So 7.8. So that is our mode. And also they are asking to find mean. So we have to find out class mark, that is xi. What is the mid value of 1 to 4? 5 by 2. So that is 2.5. 4 to 7. 11 by 2. 11 by 2 means 5.5. So mid value of 7 to 10. As the difference is 3 children, here it will be 8.5, 11.5, 14.5 plus 3, 17.5. As we found xi, now let us find di. What is the formula of di? Di equal to xi minus a, children. Di equal to xi minus a. So what is our assumed mean? 1 among xi we need to consider as a. So let us consider a as 8.5. So 2.5 minus 8.5, that is minus 6. 5.5 minus 8.5, that is minus 3. 8.5 minus 8.5, 0. 11.5 minus 8, 3. 14.5 minus 8, 6. 17.5 minus 8, 9. So di value we got. Now let us find ui. Opposite to 0, 0. Minus 1, minus 2, 1, 2, 3. Now let us find fi. Ui. 6 into minus 2, minus 12. 30 into minus 1, minus 30. 40 into 0, 0. 16 1 is 16. 4 2 is 8. 4 3 is 12. So let us add all positive values. 24, 26, 36. And this is minus 42. So minus 42 plus 36, which is equal to minus 6, children. So we got minus 6 here, right? Now what is the formula to find the mean? Mean equal to, that is x bar equal to a plus sigma fi ui by sigma fi into h. So a value is 8.5 plus sigma fi ui value minus 6 and sigma fi value 100 into 3. So 8.5 plus into minus minus, 6 3 is 18 divided by 100. So 18 divided by 100, I mean 0.18, children. So 8.5 minus 0.18, 10 minus 8 2, 4 minus 1 3. So that is equal to 8.32. So what is the mean? X bar equal to 8.32. So we got mean 8.32, mode 7.8, and median is 8.05. So this is our 6th question. Coming to 7th question, the distribution below gives the weights of 30 students of a class. Find the median weight of the students. Weight in between 40 to 45 kgs. Number of students were 2. 45 to 53. 50 to 55 8. 55 to 66. 60 to 65 6. 65 to 73. And 70 to 75 2. So let us find cumulative frequency. 2. 2 plus 3 5. 5 plus 8 13. 13 plus 6 19. 19 plus 6 25. 25 plus 3 28. 28 plus 2 30. So what is the value of n, children? N equal to 30. Let us find n by 2. 30 by 2 15. Just after 15 we have 19. Yes, just after 15 we have 19. I mean 50 lies between, after 13, sorry, just after 13. So that is our corresponding class interval is 50 to 55. So this is our frequency and this is our cumulative frequency, and our lower limit is 50. Children, did you understand? 15 is just after 13. Okay. So what is the median? the formula to find the median is L plus n by 2 minus CF by F into H. L value is 50, n by 2 value 15, CF is 5, frequency 8 and class size is 5 children. So 50 plus 15 minus 5, 10 by 8 into 5. So 50 plus 10 5s are 50 divided by 8. 8 8 is 8 6 is 48, 2 0, 8 2 is 16, 4 0, 8 5 is 40. So 50 plus 6.25. So that is equal to 56.25, right? So class size is 5 here. So 56.25. So this is our 7th question, children. So by this we completed our exercise number 14.3, children. I hope you understood every sum clearly. Like it, share it, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.